A CSV file is a data file in which the fields are separated by commas and quotation marks. Here's what one looks like if you open it with Notepad or a text editor. In this one, artist is the first field and title is the second field. Each data field begins and ends with quotation marks, and there's a comma between the data fields. This type of file is commonly used to exchange raw data from one type of database to another type of database. The quotation marks and the commas are used to help the importing database know where one bit of data, the artist field, ends, and the next bit of data, the title field, begins. It's called a CSV file because that is the extension that's used. It's a text file, but it has .csv at the end of the file name instead of .txt. If you have Microsoft Excel on your computer, then the .csv extension will be recognized automatically by Excel. If you double-click on that file, Excel will open it, and the data fields will be separated into individual columns like this. If you right-click on the file and then tell Windows to open it with a text editor, it looks like this. Now, a CSV file can be imported directly into Music One if that file has headers that Music One recognizes. The headers are on the first line, and they identify the data fields in the file. The first header is artist, the second is title, the third is album, then length and year, and so on. Depending on the application that exported the CSV file, there may be some fields that are not going to be imported into Music One. In this example, we're not going to import the rating and the bit rate. We'll tell Music One to import only the data fields that we want it to. Headers are not always included in a CSV file. If these headers are not here, then Music One's built-in CSV importer can't read the file. Also, if the headers are in some language other than English, M1 can't recognize and understand the data fields. In those cases, the data can still be imported by telling Music One exactly which field is which, and that requires a little setup, which is relatively simple. See the next video about how to do it.